Maybe this was for the best. Maybe it will all make sense one day. Or it might not too.
Udah masuk tapi.
Happy New Year. I usually always have to have something for breakfast, so here I'm trying to make lemon tea using this very cute handmade cup from my sister's best friend, and also my mom made me waffles. Just a few moments after that, it started raining. At first it was calm and then it started raining cats and dogs. My mom asked me to help clean the pool, so I decided to just jump into the rain and clean it for her. This is her cooking for me. And it was really, really cold, but I felt quite great. After I finished cleaning the pool, it was still raining, but I get to have lunch my mom made. It was very hearty and simple, but it made my heart full. My friend bought this diary for me on my birthday, I think 2 years ago. It has my initial on it. It's very cute. Dear self, today is the 16th day of 2022, a far future you couldn't imagine standing in last year. You see, the world didn't change much in this time and place. It's still rotating its regardless while you try to walk around with your hazy eyes. How many times has it been? Loving in the romantic department hasn't been something you like writing about simply because it was never static. You know you'll be fine, just a different kind of person, and perhaps it's beautiful, but you do not believe in it. Eventually, everything's just exactly where it needs to be. But how do we comprehend the empty spaces inside of us as we walk on in a cycle of meetings and goodbyes? I remember reading about this somewhere on the internet, that the weight of our past memories actually act as an aid memoir so that we can continue living without forgetting what was once in our life. You shared 2 beautiful years with a man that changed the flow of your life. Loved each other as hard as you could, and when the universe deems it enough, then it should be. I don't know where life is taking you to right now, but you're just trying to get up every day, trying to achieve something while carrying your aid memoir. Maybe this was for the best. Maybe it will all make sense one day, or it might not too. But today is the 16th day of 2022 and you're still alive and well. I hope you take all these memories with you until you grow old and be reminded of how bravely you once went against all odds and loved your lungs out of a man that deserves it, despite knowing how it will all end. Happy New Year.
Diet bersama. Turun lagi dong. Masih ada lihat lagi. Ya. Dieting together. Because they're getting married in 2 years. So. Rajin ya, Mak? Enggak. Video gue nggak? Udah masuk tapi.
Nggak ada apa, dia satu